So hello guys, so we will move on to the next model of questions, which is 0 to the power 0 model. Okay, 0 to the power 0 model, always remember answer will be equal to 1. Say for example, limit x tends to a, x minus a to the power x minus a. Okay, so it is nothing but 0 to the power 0, answer is equal to 1. The second question, limit x tends to 0 sin x to the power of tan x, this is also equal to 1. 0 to the power 0, answer is always equal to 1. And one final expression I will give you. Okay, limit x tends to 1 log x to the power of log x is equal to 1. Okay, so after this, the next model. Okay, so for this model, what you need to keep in mind is wherever you find 0 to the power 0, simply the answer will be 1, and so no need to solve. Okay, answer will always be 1. Similar is the case for infinity to the power 0 model. Okay, here also answer will always be equal to 1. Say for example, limit x tends to pi by 2 tan x to the power cot x. Okay, tan pi by 2 is infinity, cot pi by 2 is 0, so infinity to the power 0, answer is equal to 1. Next question, limit n tends to infinity n to the power 1 by n. This is also infinity to the power 0, and hence the answer is 1. Okay, so final question for this model, limit x tends to infinity x plus e to the power minus x to the power 1 by x. So this is infinity to the power 0. This is also equal to 1. The next model is 1 to the power infinity model. Here guys, be careful, because 1 to the power infinity model, answer need not always be 1. Okay, so here we have to use one formula. So that formula is, say a function fx has a power gx. Okay, and the limit is limit x tends to some constant a. Okay, so this can be written as e to the power limit x tends to a g of x multiplied by f of x minus 1. Okay, so please keep this formula in mind. Okay, so we will do one question, and the question is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x to the power 1 by x square. So sin x by x, limit x tends to 0 is 1, 1 by x square, x tends to 0 infinity. So this is 1 to the power infinity. So what we will do, here you have to first recognize which one is fx and which one is gx. This one is fx, okay, this one is fx, and this one is gx. Okay, so what we will do, we will write in this form. So what we will get is, we will get limit e to the power limit x tends to 0, g of x is 1 by x square into f of x minus 1, sin x by x minus 1. Okay, so here as you can see, this is nothing but 0 by 0 form in the power, so we can use L'Hospital's rule. But before that, let us simplify. Okay, by taking LCM, we will get e to the power limit x tends to 0 sin x minus x by x cube. Okay, this is also 0 by 0, so we will apply L'Hospital's rule. So we will get limit x tends to 0, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, and here we will get 3x square. Okay, so it is nothing but 1 minus cos x by x square, so with a negative sign. Okay, e to the power, what we will get, 1 by 3 is already there, and we will get another minus 1 by 2. So the final answer is e to the power minus 1 by 6. Okay, a final question, a separate kind of question this is. Okay, limit x tends to infinity square root of x square plus x minus 1 minus of x. So if you see, this is nothing but infinity minus infinity form, but there is no denominator, so we cannot use the LCM method. So here what we have to do, we have to use a method known as rationalization. So what we will do, we will write it like this: square root of x square plus x minus 1 minus x, and we will multiply and divide by its conjugate. What is the meaning of conjugate? Simple. Instead of minus here, we will get a plus. So here x square plus x minus 1 plus x divided by x square plus x minus 1 plus x. Okay, so after this what we will get is limit x tends to infinity. We multiply both these terms and we will get x, this is nothing but a minus b into a plus b, so it is nothing but a square minus b square. So what is this? X square plus x minus 1 minus of x square. So these two terms get cancelled, divided by x square plus x minus 1 plus x. Okay, so after this what we will do, we will take limit x tends to infinity. Since there is a limit of infinity, we will take x common, so we will get here 1 minus 1 by x, and here also if we take x common, we will get 1 plus square root of 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay, so we cancel these two x's, and finally if we put the value of x equal to infinity, we will get 1 minus 1 by infinity is 0 divided by square root. Inside the square root we will get 1 plus 0 minus 0, so it is 1 and added with a 1. So the final answer is 1 upon 2. Okay, so with this we finish limits. Okay, from the next class we will start with continuity. Thank you.